the best thing I like about Miles is that we get that personal touch. So that's the point I keep selling to my juniors that go for Miles. My name is Rupali Rao and I am working with EY from past 4.5 years, and I completed my CPA with EY only. I had a lot more colleagues around me. There was one senior who was doing Miles and she was getting like good score and she cleared it all in one go, and she suggested that Miles is good because you guys covered it all. So there's no place that is left untouched. So that was a great thing. So I took her books and everything. I went through it. I thought, okay, this is something which I can go through. The language is easy. The textbooks were really interactive, and the way Varun speaks, he's like he's gonna jump out of the camera, and it really made it feel that he is there. So also because of that, I attended the live classes also on Saturdays and Sundays. I get a chance to meet Varun too. So yeah, so he was definitely the same in class and in video, so it made a good connect. I am like fully satisfied and happy with the material, with the course, with the teachers, and definitely with the support. And it's been a great journey for me. CPA matlab Miles.